see this guy all the time on the same corner on the north side, handing out flyers for his fitness business. So today, I decided to stop and actually train with him. And I'll be honest, he knows what he's doing. But here's the thing. He's out here most days hustling and still trying to get consistent clients. So in this video, I wanted to understand his story, how he got started, what he's doing right, and more importantly, what's holding him back. And by the end, I'll show him and you exactly how he can get more clients without doing all of this alone. Yo, so right here, I'm at Ken's fitness studio right here, about to walk in for a little training session. Let's see what he got going on. He's gonna take me through like a little ab workout.
Camera recording.
All right, Ken?
How you doing, sir?
Good, man. What we got going on? You gonna take me through an ab workout?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna tell you a simple ab workout that you can do
Okay.
at home if you have the equipment. My name is Ken, the owner of Ken's Fitness and Nutrition. Come train with me.
All right, let's do it.
Now, don't do this if your abs are not strong to do. I'm gonna take you through this exercise because I believe you can do it.
Okay.
Want me to keep going?
Nah, that's it. How many times you want me to go?
I want you to at least give me 25.
25. So I guess I'm a pretty fit guy. We'll see. 25 of those? Ah.
I go
right.
all the way back.
Ken, I'm gonna have you hold this.
Okay.
You can just make sure it's pointed at me. All right.
Right?
Yeah, and turn it around so you can see that.
Okay.
All right.
This is amazing. Go, let's go.
All right.
One, go all the way up.
All the way up?
Bring it all the way back. Come on. All right, let's go. Wow. Oh, you did a good job. I knew you was fit.
Shit. I don't know if I can say that on my own channel, but shit.
Knew you was fit.
Yeah, that core is gonna burn. That core is gonna burn. I'm curious, how many of those can you do?
How many can I do?
Yeah.
Usually I go a little higher.
Okay.
This the highest it can go. But usually I do it.
That's gonna make somebody dizzy.
I do it right here.
Okay. Right there?
Yeah, right there.
Sheesh. How many can you do at that height?
At one time,
Yeah.
maybe 20, 25.
That's why he's the fitness expert and not me. That's why he does what he does. All these clients that you see on the wall, all those clients. But wait, I'm not done. There's another wall. I always see you on Lim Turner on Dunn Avenue, just kind of passing out flyers, doing your thing, promoting your business. Like how did you even get started doing all of this?
It's gonna be 16 years
Okay.
in November. I've been
Wow.
a personal trainer. 16 years, so
A lot of people don't make it that long.
2011, 4 or 5 years before that, I was exercising. I didn't have no career. Didn't really know where I was going at. I remember a person saying, "You should be a trainer." I didn't even know what a trainer was.
Yeah.
So I looked into it and said, you know what, I'm gonna try it out. I went through this school called ISSA.
Okay.
I became a certified personal trainer and a specialist in sports nutrition. My goal as a personal trainer is help people reach a goal that they can't reach on their own. Now, that is hard. It's not easy. It's not what some people think just working out. No, because you have some people that's trying to transform their body from their arms, their legs, their abdominal areas. Also instructing people who've been eating certain types of food, drinking and smoking. But change is hard for some people. See, changing is changing your whole entire mindset.
Not just the bodies, but you
gotta change your mindset. A lot of people want to be millionaires, but you don't want to do what you gotta do to be a millionaire. So it's just like trying to get fit. You want to get your body a certain way. Sure, this person may be eating this and eating that. And like I tell a lot of people, that's because that person has good genetics.
Right.
Just like it may be a person that was born a millionaire. Born a millionaire, they can just buy anything they want, spend it. And so you can't do the same. So you can't do the same as the person who was born in shape. Yeah. They were born fit.
Everybody ain't at the same.
They ain't at the same level. So it's best to stay in it. That's why I say make fitness and nutrition a lifestyle.
If you're a local business owner with a story like Ken's, I want to feature you next. I run a marketing and consulting agency where I drive around helping entrepreneurs get more customers and build systems so you're not doing everything by yourself. If that sounds like you, reach out. Let's grow your business the smart way. Even if somebody loses 50 pounds, do you find that you have to encourage people to maybe move that finish line so they can keep that 50 pounds off?
You got to continue to maintain it. Just like if you save $100,000, it's not going to stay $100,000 if you don't continue to put more money into that account or invest. You have to continue to keep going. You can't stop. I was telling a client today, she want her goals to be attained in 3-4 months. You may not obtain your goals in 3-4 months, but I don't mean you stop.
Right.
You keep going.
Then he told me something that most trainers probably won't admit.
This business is not gonna stay the same. It fluctuates. You gotta keep yourself in shape. You gotta stay motivated to look for additional clients, because you may start out with 60 clients, 66. I think at one time the most clients I had was like 66, 67. Those 66 clients you had, 30 of them can be gone in the next 2 months. Then another 20 can be gone in 30 days. So now you only have 10 clients. And that'd be the hard part that a lot of trainers go through, even myself today. You'll spend a lot of time and a lot of days applying yourself in a business that may be good, but may not be good in the area you living in. Or because the target amount of people that's in the area you living in are not thinking about personal training. They may be thinking about it, but they're not making enough money to do it.
Okay.
And they may be making enough money to do it, but they got other things that they desire to, or they may want more than just hiring a client. Hiring a trainer. So that's the battle.
His diet is where things got interesting. What's an average or what's a good meal for you? Like, what do you eat every day?
I eat the same thing every day.
Every day?
Every day I eat the same thing. Like, I start off with some egg whites.
Okay.
I eat 6 egg whites, a nutrition bar. 2-3 hours later, a PB sandwich.
Ooh.
On some rye bread.
Okay.
Protein bar, a turkey wrap, another turkey wrap, then another protein bar. Then at night, a chicken breast, a leg, and some oatmeal.
Okay.
You know, a lot of people say, why you eat oatmeal? I eat oatmeal for just fiber, not for carbs. Because I don't want to eat rice. I don't eat pasta. Yeah. So I just eat oatmeal. Yeah. I eat, and I know a lot of people may say, how you eat oatmeal? You got to cook oatmeal. No, I eat oatmeal dry, plain.
Just like no
water,
milk,
no
water.
Nothing. No nothing. I know a lot of people say, you crazy. No, it's not that I'm crazy. I eat to stay fit and to survive. Yeah. I got clients, I can't eat like that. I got to enjoy my food, and you're right. If that's what you want to do. Mm-hmm. A lot of people are enjoying their money. That's why they can't save no money. So it's all about the discipline you willing to apply in your life. And I know you may say, I only got one life to live. And you're right. Yeah. So you have to choose it.
Yeah. Because when you taste food, you may have something that tastes good. You bought it from some fancy restaurant or whatever. But how long is that feeling gonna last? It's gonna last for that meal, then when you get up, you may go to the house, do whatever, like, man, that was good. And the next day, that's gone. You're eating healthy, you're eating consistently, you're gonna feel it day after day. All those feelings of maybe being sluggish that you had, you're not gonna feel that way. So it's all in just what you want your body to feel like.
Well, I usually tell a client to make them some short-term goals. Short-term goals are what they're trying to do with their body when training. Because if you just say you're trying to lose 100 pounds, you can't just say, okay, I'm gonna lose 100 pounds in 50 days. No, it usually gonna take more than 50 days to lose 100 pounds. It's usually gonna take between 10 months to a year, maybe longer than that. It depends on your body and on how you eat and how much you train. So you need to make a short-term goal, maybe 5 pounds, 10 pounds, 20 pounds, so you don't discourage yourself. Don't give up, even if you meal prepping and you fall off and go eat you some cake, eat you some cookies. Once you realize, okay, I'm making an error, I need to make a correction. Go back to your nutrition, your nutrition path and like your healthy lifestyle, and just keep going. Don't give up. Like, even if you miss your training session, something come up, okay, do something at home, go walking, but don't give up. Make you another training session. Don't give up. Keep doing it. Make it a lifestyle. That, okay, I'm gonna keep trying till I get it. Like I was telling another client today, I said, you can't compare yourself with me. I've been exercising over 20 years. You only been exercising 4 months.
We not the same.
So how you gonna think your body supposed to be? See, this is a life to me.
Yeah, right.
To you, you've been 4 months, but the past 20-something years, 30 years, you've been eating what you want to eat.
Right.
Now exercising, so yes, it's gonna be hard. Yeah. So you're gonna have to apply more discipline in your life. Yeah, meaning you're gonna have to say in your mind, this is what I'm gonna do. Because it's not gonna be something that's gonna be easy. It's gonna be a battle. I don't feel like exercising. I don't feel like eating no boiled egg white. I wanna eat me some pancakes. I wanna eat me a biscuit, some grits.
Okay, you're gonna get biscuit and grit results. So he spends a lot of time personally training. He spends a lot of time on the books. He spends a lot of time marketing. He's always in the streets, passing out flyers. Try this app right here. He can give people a workout and they can do it virtually. It'll also hold them accountable. It'll tell them how to do it correctly. So he can get the results without having to physically be there. Jacksonville had an event called Never Quit that I was on. As many push-ups as you can do, as many sit-ups as you can do, as many pull-ups as you can do, and then I think it's like a 1K or a 5K, something like that. If Ken took all of his, maybe like gamify it, contestify it, take all of his past clients, not even past clients, just get people in Jacksonville to compete for this prize, right? And winning person gets a prize, because now, if he's worried about people losing sight of the goal after he finishes training them, asking them to compete or encouraging them to compete in this workout will give them something to train for. They can show off their summer bodies, because he said June, July, the summertime is when a lot of people are not really motivated to train, because this is the payoff. They had their summer bodies. They've taken all the training that he's given them and they're showing it off. Those are 2 solutions to the problem of people losing sight of the goal after their last session. Hope this helps Ken. Also hope it helps you too.